Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today, I'm bringing you a quick and easy dish, and this is what's jumping in my pot: chicken pot pie. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: whole milk, black pepper and salt, minced garlic, all purpose flour, dried thyme, unsalted butter, minced onions and celery I have in this container, chicken broth, peas and carrots, diced white potatoes. I have here already cooked chicken, and I have already made pie crust. You can make it from scratch if you like, but then it wouldn't be quick and easy. Now let's proceed to making the chicken pot pie. I have a skillet here. I'm going to turn it on medium high. Then I have the butter jump into the pan, and we're going to let it melt. Now we're going to have the onions and the celery jump into the pan. The garlic. We're going to let this saute here for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the salt and the black pepper and the thyme. Now we're going to add the flour. And we got to whisk this up constantly. Now we're going to add the milk. The chicken broth. I'm going to whisk this up together. Then we're going to add the potato and let this whisk up together for about 3 minutes. Constantly whisking it. Now we're going to turn it off, and we're going to add the peas and carrots. And we're going to add the chicken. Mix this up. Now we're going to cover this up, and then we're going to move along to the next step. Now I have a pie plate here, and we're going to put the crust in it. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we're going to put the filling into the pie pan. I have my oven set to 375 degrees, and we're going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. Now we're going to put the top on. Now we're going to close it up. Take our fingers and make some designs on the edge of the crust. Now we're going to take a knife and make about 4 slits. That's to let the steam out. Now I'm going to pop it in the oven. Here you have it. Quick and easy chicken pot pie. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Don't forget to hit that like button.